Welcome to this video. Are you tired of drinking tap water that tastes off or worrying about hidden contaminants? Today, I am bringing you the ultimate guide to the best under-sink water filter options available. I will break down systems that deliver crisp, pure hydration straight from your faucet without cluttering your countertops. Let us get started. Product number 1. iSpring Alkaline 6-Stage Reverse Osmosis System RCC7AK. When it comes to achieving premium hydration, this 6-stage reverse osmosis system truly stands out. I am highly impressed that it is certified to NSF/ANSI 58 standards for the entire filtration system, ensuring top-tier safety and performance. It effectively reduces up to 98% of TDS, along with PFAS, chlorine, lead, and over 1,000 other contaminants. What I love most is the patent-pending natural mineral AK stage, which restores a healthy pH balance and adds essential minerals back into your drinking water. The transparent first stage housing is incredibly convenient because it allows you to visually monitor contaminant buildup and know exactly when it is time for a filter change. The installation process is straightforward, featuring a DIY-friendly design with quick-fitting connections and a patented top-mounted fastener that lets you easily install the faucet from above the counter. It is an exceptional choice for purified, spring-like water right at home. Product number 2. CuZn Under-Sink Water Filter UC200. If you want a powerful filtration solution without the complexity of a reverse osmosis system, this direct connect filter is an absolute game changer. I am amazed by its unbeatable lifespan, offering up to 5 years of continuous filtration, which makes it incredibly cost-effective compared to standard 6-month filters. It utilizes a precise 3-stage blend of micro-sediment membranes, KDF55, and coconut shell carbon to purify your water while leaving the beneficial minerals completely intact. The system is independently tested and approved to significantly reduce harmful impurities like PFAS, lead, and chlorine to deliver noticeably improved water quality. I found the inline design to be perfect for tight spaces under the kitchen or bathroom sink. Furthermore, it requires no drilling for installation and includes all necessary parts, like a stainless steel connection hose, making it a simple DIY upgrade for cleaner, crisper tap water. Product number 3. Filtrete Advanced Under-Sink Quick Change Water Filtration Filter 3 USPF01. For those who prioritize speed and convenience, this advanced filtration unit is designed to make maintenance as effortless as possible. I really appreciate how this filter specifically targets and reduces chlorine taste and odor, along with microbial cysts, to provide a healthier drinking experience. It also does a phenomenal job of capturing fine particles, effectively reducing sand, soil, silt, rust, and sediment down to 0.5 microns. The quick change design is a standout feature for me, as replacing the cartridge requires just a simple quarter turn without any mess or complicated tools. Each filter provides up to 6 months of pristine, clean water. I also love that it allows you to maintain full water flow at 2.25 gallons per minute directly through your existing kitchen or bath faucet, ensuring you never have to wait long to fill your glass or cooking pots. Product number 4. Express Water 5-Stage Under-Sink Reverse Osmosis Water Filter System RO5DX. When you want absolute confidence in every drop you consume, this 5-stage system delivers exceptional purity. I am highly impressed by its ability to reduce up to 99.99% of impurities, including lead, chlorine, fluoride, arsenic, and calcium. The system utilizes environmentally friendly coconut carbon filters that provide an unequaled quality and a crisp, natural taste. One of the most convenient aspects is that the water filtration system automatically fills the 4-gallon steel tank, so you always have high-quality drinking water ready to go. I also find the built-in emergency leak stop detector to be a brilliant addition, as it instantly shuts off the water flow if it senses any unwelcome moisture. The quick and easy-to-understand design means you can skip professional installation fees and set it up yourself, all while enjoying the sleek look of the included deluxe chrome faucet. Product number 5. iSpring High Capacity Under Sink 5-Stage Reverse Osmosis Water Filter RCC7. Rounding out my list is another exceptional option that provides a massive 75 gallons per day of pure hydration. I am extremely pleased that this NSF/ANSI 58 certified system removes up to 99% of over 1,000 contaminants, while also reducing hard water minerals that cause annoying scale buildup. The design incorporates a fine granular activated carbon filter that serves as a final polishing stage to ensure your water tastes fresh and crisp. The transparent first stage housing is a smart design choice, letting you easily conduct quick visual inspections. I love that it comes with a 100% lead-free designer brushed nickel faucet and food-grade tubing to guarantee that your ice cubes are crystal clear and your coffee tastes better than ever. Engineered with a built-in check valve to prevent backflow and ensure leak-free operation, this compact system delivers bottled-quality water while helping you reduce plastic waste. That wraps up my comprehensive look at the top under-counter filtration systems on the market right now. Be sure to check the links provided to grab your favorite unit and start enjoying crystal clear hydration today.